Okay, so here we are at a rooftop unit that's not cooling. It was on earlier. So I open up the door. Fine, I got snow. Okay, so ice buildup is one of a couple things. It's either low on refrigerant or poor airflow. And in this case, our belt broke. So our guy wasn't spinning. So we're gonna replace the belt. This is an AX26. It has the teeth. I'm gonna replace it with the one without the teeth. I kind of prefer those. So let's go ahead and get this on. Okay, so I pulled my belt on. I turn on my power. We're gonna just turn on the fan to kind of pull some of the warmer air to melt this ice before we start it in cooling, okay? Always make sure your belt's tight. You can adjust it right here. And in our case, we're good to go. There she blows. And that condensate just slid off. Very nice. We're gonna melt all that ice. All right, so we melted all the ice in there. We're gonna run it in cooling, and this unit should be good.